Bonjour, beauties. I'm here to give you my first impressions and thoughts on the new collection from Dior. I have the powder blush, I have the blush stick, as well as the lip butter balm. If you want to hear my thoughts, if you want to see a demo, all the fun things, please stay tuned. Please also like this video, comment on it, and subscribe. Let's get started. I'm so beyond excited to do this unboxing. I was anxiously waiting for my package to come. It felt like forever. It was only a few days, but it felt like an eternity. My UPS guy, he's amazing. Rob, if you're watching, thank you for all you do. I appreciate it. So I got 3 items from the new collection, and before I delve in, I just want to tell you what I have on my face for today. For my foundation, I'm wearing the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, shade 1.5. I'm also wearing the Hourglass Concealer, and this is in the shade Bisque 1.8. And on my eyes, I have the beautiful Bloom palette from Natasha Denona, as well as the Dior Show liquid liner in the shade Satin Brown. I've been obsessed with this liquid liner. It's absolutely stunning. Another product that I have fallen absolutely head over heels in love with, this is the Dior Show Over Volume Mascara. This stuff is fantastic. The packaging is beautiful. I'll show you here. And the mascara is phenomenal. It's just such an amazing product. And if you haven't checked this out yet, I really recommend you do. I'll put all the details of the makeup that I'm wearing in the comments below. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the Dior Addict Lip Glow Butter, and this is in the shade Glaze Pink. And this retails for $42, which I know sounds like a lot for a lip butter, but let's see if it's worth the hype. Let me show you the packaging. It's adorable. So as you can see, it comes with this beautiful Dior charm. It's just so elegant, so classy, so Dior. And it's this baby pink packaging. And it has the classic Christian Dior emblem on the cap there. This is the applicator. Oh. Oh, wow. That is pretty. It feels very nourishing on the lips. And I love that the little charm is kind of dangling in your hands as you're putting this on. What shine that gives. And it's a sweet flavor, but also kind of a minty flavor with it. And as I'm letting it sit, I do feel a little bit of a plumping effect, but it's completely comfortable. It's not uncomfortable at all. But it is plumping up the lips. I was really tempted to also pick up the Glaze Lavender, but I was good. I restrained myself and I only went with the pink. It's nourishing, it's comfortable to wear on the lips, and just the applicator and the packaging, it just makes it so much more luxurious. It might be a little bit frivolous. I know it's a little bit costly for a lip product, but I think if you love the Dior brand, if you love Dior's packaging, if you're looking for something different and unique to add to your Dior collection or your makeup collection, I think this is a great purchase to make. So I'm really happy with this product, and I can't stop doing this because this is so fun. And moving on to the next product, this is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Powder Blush, and this is in the shade Pink. And can we just take a moment to appreciate this packaging? I don't understand how they make every product more beautiful than the last, but somehow Christian Dior always does this, and they get us every time, because even for the packaging alone, I would buy this. But I'm sure that the product inside is just as beautiful as the packaging. But again, the packaging alone is enough to tempt a girl to buy all shades. Let me tell you. To show you quickly, this is the Dior packaging. It has this beautiful Dior lettering on top. You can see it has a Dior embossing. I'll also insert an overlay so you can see it up closely. So I'm going to be using my Makeup by Mario F1 brush. And since this is such a pigmented color, I'm going to swirl it on the back of my hand so that the brush gets an even application. Now, this blush formula has been reformulated. I did not own prior versions of this blush to compare it to, so I can't tell you how it differs. I can just tell you my first impressions in using it. And this is just leaving a beautiful effect on the skin. Unfortunately, the embossing is getting ruined, but that's okay. That is gorgeous. This is definitely a product that you can build up. It's not too strong off the bat, but it just leaves almost like an airbrushed look to the skin. Oh, I love that. Just let me tell you a little bit about the product. So this retails for $40 and it comes in 7 shades. And again, I picked up the shade Pink 001. And this has pH technology. So the blush is supposed to react with your skin's pH and give you an individual color to the skin. And Dior describes this as an ultra-fine, lightweight blush that blends seamlessly for a natural color and second skin feeling. And I would say that's 100% accurate. This blush just went on beautifully. It's buildable. Because of this bright, bright color, I was a little bit concerned of how it would apply, but it's just, it's flawless. I love this. I think this is a phenomenal, phenomenal blush. I'm so happy that I got it, especially in this shade. I think this is beautiful for spring and summer. I might be tempted to buy more shades in this formula. If you've never tried the Dior Backstage line, I'd highly recommend checking this out. I do think it is worth the price tag just because of the beautiful airbrush quality. So I really, really am glad that I picked this up. And I think that this pink shade is just outstanding. And finally, we have the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush Stick. And this is in the shade Candy. And if you think that this packaging is stunning, look at this. I'm going to insert some overlays so you can see it up close. But it has the beautiful Dior emblem on the package. It has the beautiful Dior embossing all throughout. And it comes in this beautiful, beautiful holder. It has the signature Christian Dior emblem on the cap. And this is just a beautiful item to have on your vanity, in your pocketbook. It feels solid in your hand. It has a nice weight to it. It feels very elegant and classy. And I can't wait to try this on my cheeks. On this cheek, I am going to go into the product directly with my brush. And then on this side, I'll put the product directly on my face so you can see the different applications. Going in with an hourglass brush and just tapping it so that I get an even coating. And then I'm going to swirl it into the back of my hand. Let me just show you that beautiful shade, how the light captures that beautiful glimmer in there. So this is applying flawlessly. This is a much heavier application than the powder blush. It has a more glowy effect on the skin. Just buffing it out a little bit. My finger and the other side of the brush. And this product does have a scent to it, so if you're sensitive to fragrances, I would maybe skip this, but it is a beautiful scent. And once it's on the face, you don't smell it anymore. So as you can see, as the light captures it, it is just a beautiful shimmery effect on the skin, giving a really healthy glow. I'm in love with this shade. This is gorgeous. Another perfect option for spring and summer. A little bit different than the pressed powder. That's more of a purple undertone, I would say, or a lilac. This is a little bit closer maybe to a NARS Orgasm look, but really, really pretty. So on the other side, I'll apply the product directly onto the skin and then buff it out with the brush so you can see how that applies. That actually applies beautifully too. I think I prefer putting it on to the back of the hand and then putting it on with the brush, but this applies beautifully too. If you don't want to do that, or if you have to do it on the go, and maybe just rub it in with your hands. Let me just tell you a little bit about the product. It retails for $44. It comes in 7 shades, and it is supposed to offer 12 hours of custom color with a light reflecting dewy glow finish that makes the cheekbones look enhanced and plumped. It also has the pH technology, so it's supposed to interact with the pH of your skin and give you a unique color. And the reason why Dior is saying that it has a 12-hour glow is because this is a cherry oil-based product, just like their lip oils. So that is what's supposed to give the flush to the skin and the hydration to the skin for 12 hours. This is supposed to give a bare skin feel. I would say it has a little bit of stickiness, but not anything bad. I mean, I'm putting my hair up against it, and it's actually, my hair is just going into the lip balm, but it's not sticking to the cheek very much. I think this is a great option for summer. I think it's a very on-the-go product if you want to just throw this in your bag. If you're traveling, I think this is great for that. I can't attest to how long it wears for, but it does feel very good on the skin. And again, packaging is next to none. So I think this is worth the price. I do think, first of all, for the packaging alone, I don't know if it's worth $44, but it is worth a higher price tag. It gives a healthy glow to the skin, but it's not too much. It's not too pigmented. I think you can build it up if you want a little bit more color. But I'm just very happy with this. I think this shade in particular is beautiful, and I'm really glad that I picked this up. So if you're looking for a great option for summer that's on the go, that's a little bit glowier than maybe the powder version, I would go with this one. Okay, so that wraps up my first impressions of the new collection from Dior. I'm blown away by all the products I tried today, especially this blush stick. I think I will pick this up in a couple more shades, but I think every product in the line is really phenomenal. The packaging is next to none. And if you're looking for something a little bit different this summer, something with beautiful packaging, with great wear, with a great shade option, I think any of these products would be great to try out. Please let me know in the comments down below if you've picked up any of these pieces yet. Let me know if you're looking to pick up any of these pieces from the new collection. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel to get more beauty and makeup updates and try-ons and demos and all the fun stuff. So thank you so much for being here. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.